Welcome back to another video. This is going to be the last video of this month. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use hand grinder, and I'm also going to be putting together a compilation of all the kills I got in Titanage. So first I'll be showing you how to use hand grinder, since a lot of comments have asked how to use it. So I actually don't know how to use it as well. So I'm going to be going into this match to find out. We're going to have to get grabbed, or maybe just see if the skill is there. Alright, so it is a skill, and I'm assuming that once you are grabbed, you press 1 and then you click with it and it should work. If you want to test it out, we're just gonna be a little risky here. Grab me. Oh wait. Okay, I use Scout Instinct. Now it should be easy for me to get grabbed. Oh, there. There's some Titans here. Alright. Oh, yeah, I just hit 1. I didn't even have to click with the skill. It just worked. But I suggest you try clicking if it doesn't work for you. Pretty much once you're in their hand and it doesn't say this, if it says hand grinders on cooldown, it's not gonna work. You also need blades. You need one blade, like a full blade, or else it's not going to work. There's also a bug where like the blade could appear there physically, but like there's no durability. Just make sure it has durability on the blade. I suggest you get Scout Instinct. It's also very helpful. I'm gonna continue playing this game and rack up some kills, and then they will be in the kill compilation that I'm about to show you.